Oh my God, it's so beautiful today, y'all. Look, yo, what? Look at this. It was just -4 degrees outside, yo. What is wrong with Rochester, New York, man? But anyway, y'all see Bae right there, man. She looking real nasty, so yo, don't be talking y'all smack, man. She looking real dirty right now. Gotta get a wash. It's crazy because I just got a wash. I think literally last night, and you know, all the wet melting snow and stuff. So anyway, like I was saying, I'm on my way to meet my realtor right now. So looking at another house today. Y'all be able to see the house. Let me know, man, if I got any like first time home buyers, people. If y'all want me to do a video like walkthroughs or showings that I'll go to, like I'll be more than welcome to take my camera in, so show y'all around like what kind of houses I be looking at and the prices and stuff like that. Let me know. I have no problem doing that. It's real simple, real easy. My realtor, she mad cool. Shout out to Julie, man. Julie Ullman and Brian Ullman. Julie's the realtor. Brian Ullman is the actually he's the mortgage manager. So I just want to talk to y'all real quick, man, because Dodge slipping a little bit. I don't know if y'all have or have not seen it already. The Mopar Insider, they did an article. I want to say it was, wait, what the hell going on? I don't even know where I'm going right now. Towards West Ridge, okay. Mopar Insider, they did a video last night on, I'm sorry, not a video. They did an article last night on how the Charger is about to get a wide body. And I'm like, you know, I'm hype. I'm like, yo, finally, they finally bringing a wide body to the Charger. That's what we all wanted. It's gonna be a 2020, probably the end of 2019, around August. Perfect. But what they did say is the wide body's only gonna be for the Scat Pack and the Hellcat, which is perfect. Start off with just the 2 models. Make it so that every single person doesn't have a wide body Charger. Mind you, I give it a year or 2 years, they're probably gonna add the wide body to every other model in the lineup. So, but for now, just the Scat Pack and the Hellcat, cool, that's perfect. Now, the one part of the article that I didn't like is that everybody, you know, we're all the Mopar community is real hyped for the 426 right now, and what the article basically said was not to expect that in the new Charger. And the first thing I was like was, what? Why not? Like, that's what we all expecting. That's what we all want. We all want that 426 motor in there. So why not supercharge? Why not put it in there? I feel like if they do that without that motor, I feel like they're gonna disappoint a lot of Mopar people. So I'm just hoping that Dodge does put that. Again, I understand because it's really hard to get. They're having emissions problems right now. I'm assuming getting a 1,000 horsepower motor approved is probably not the easiest thing, but if that's probably one of the cases. Another thing was the Scat Pack is still gonna have the 392 motor, which is cool. 5.7, that's great. So we're gonna still offer this option to people who really can't afford the higher motor or motor levels or whatnot, which is good. Again, that's gonna separate the differences in the community, which is good. Other than that, it's getting a new facelift, new rear facelift as well, or a face change, or a rear fascia changes as well. There is a rendering of what it is going to look like. Now, I don't know if it's 100% that's what it's going to look like, but it looks all right. It looks decent. This is a picture of it right here. It looks pretty decent. The only thing I feel like they should have kept is they should have kept the hood scoops in the grill, in the far corners of the grill. Now, if y'all see it in this picture right now, they put the scoops in the lower bottom corner of the grill. Now I don't know about y'all, man. That look like I don't like this. Not the scoops. I'm sorry. The grill inlets, the intakes. They put them in the bottom corner of the grill, and I don't know about y'all, but I don't really like it. It looked like it went from like looking like two nostrils to 2 boogers hanging on the corner, man. Like I don't like it. I feel like they should have kept the original grill look, or the new grill for 2019. They should have kept that look. Just lifted it up a little bit, and that was it. Left it alone. That should have been it for that. Change the wheels. Drop a little bit of weight on the car. And again, the rear. Change the rear up a little bit. I haven't seen pictures of the rear yet, but I read the article yesterday, man. I'm just looking at it, I'm just like, oh man. At least, they should at least give us the red-eye motor, the 797, hopefully. And I'm just like, man, and I'm honestly waiting for a Sublime 426 wide body charger. That's what I want. That's what I'm really saving for. That's what I'm trying to get. That will be the next car, either a year or two from now. So that is definitely going to be my next car. Buying a home first, that's going to be the first option. And then definitely getting the Hellcat or in some type of sports car in that sort. So, but I just wanted to make this video real quick because I wanted to see how y'all felt about it. Shout out to RT Life, man. I read that article and I'm like, I know somebody already did a video on it. And as soon as I went on YouTube, RT Life had already had a video. He made some really great points, man. I love RT Life's channel, a bunch of other Mopar channels as well. He made some really valid points about this new wide body charger, and a lot of things I agree with that he says. So if you haven't watched this video, go check it out, man. RT Life. But listen, y'all drive safe, man. It's beautiful outside, man. Get out, man. Get out, drive around, bring the car out today. It's a lot of sports cars out today, actually. It's crazy. So get out, enjoy the day, man. Drive your car for a little bit. Drive safe, man, because it's been a lot of accidents here in New York, Rochester, New York. A lot of fatal accidents. So we had at least 3 or 4 people die from crashes, and at least 8 or 9 people been injured from car accidents. So just drive safe, man. It's not always about how you drive. Just watch how other people drive, man. So because people will lose their attention real quick, man. A blink of an eye, man, something can happen. So just watch out, man. Everybody that's driving with kids, man, be safe. Buckle them up, put them in the car seats, man. Don't have them riding in the front if they under a certain age. You know who am I? But you know, I'm just trying to look out for my people. That's all. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. Drop a comment, please. Let me know what y'all think about this new wide body charger, or if y'all think it's gonna be actually even wide enough. Because the pictures don't even look like the wide body's that wide. Like it looks like a really, maybe like an inch, not even an inch fender flare. And to me, it didn't really look that much of a wide body. So again, just let me know, man. Drop some comments. Stay tuned for the next video. I got a lot going on with the car right now, y'all. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated though. So stay tuned for the next video, man. I'm out. Y'all enjoy y'all rest of y'all day, man. Peace.